morning, students. So here today's topic is subject verb agreement. So we have to understand that what is subject and verb in the sentence, how to identify subject and verb in the sentence, and what exactly is subject verb agreement and basic rules surrounding it. Now let us start. Now subject. So subject is the person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something in any sentence. And how to recognize verb? Action performed by the subject or state of being. So for example, Ajay plays cricket regularly. To identify the subject, ask here who is performing the action. So it is Ajay. So Ajay is the subject. And to identify the verb, ask the question what subject is performing. So it is playing. So it is verb in this case, plays. So to identify the subject and verb, asking these questions. Now, based on the point of view, first person, second person and third person, we have in first person I and we, in second person we have you, and in third person we have he, she, it, they. Now, based on count, subject may be singular or plural. So, these all things we have to remember, and we have discussed even earlier, and later on we will discuss, right? Now come to the topic. Our today's topic is subject verb agreement. Clear? Move further. Now for making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. For example, singular subject must have singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. So this is first general rule. So I am repeating, singular subject must have singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. So this is the main thing, and we have to understand when subject is in third form, this rule should be applicable. Clear? Now let us take some examples. When subject is singular, for example, that monkey eats banana. Here subject is that monkey. So our verb should be also singular. So eats we have used. Clear? Now this car goes fast. One more example. Subject is singular, this car, and verb should be also singular. So in this case we used goes. Yes. Now let us see the same example in plural. Those monkeys eat banana. So here subject is monkeys. So verb should be also in the plural form. So we used eat. Clear? Now one more example. These cars go fast. Here the subject is cars and the verb is also in the plural form, which is go. Understood? Now subject verb agreement. Clear that. It is very clear. Singular, singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Now, where the subject is not in third person, let us take some example. I read newspaper regularly. So, I is singular here, read is plural here. Yes, one more example. We read newspaper regularly. Here we is plural and read is plural. So it is very clear in another rather than third person, it is not necessary that subject is singular. So object is verb is also singular. So it is applicable only in third person. There are some important rules related to these are some important rules. So let us revise. We have understood First, what is subject and what is verb, how to recognize that in the sentence. Clear? Then we have understood that in subject verb agreement, when subject is in the third person, the singular noun will take singular verb, and finally we have understood that with the example, and plural will take the plural. Thank you so much.